And with what they have achieved and have gone through, let us listen to the most outstanding academic excellence awardee, grade 10 with high honors, Bernardo B. Escorial III for his moving up address.
Good day, everyone, to the administration, especially Mr. Jose, our school principal, our beloved teachers, especially to Miss Cristina Arreglo, our class advisor, supportive parents, and my fellow graduates. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and gratitude as we, the grade 10 students of Niño Jesus House of Studies, close a meaningful chapter in our lives. For me, this moment is especially significant because it marks not just the end of our junior high school life, but the continuation of a journey where I started 11 years ago when I first stepped into the gates of Niño Jesus. Our alma mater has been more than just a school. It has been my second home, my family, and my foundation. For over a decade, this school shaped me into the person I am today. It's here I learned the power of resilience, the value of hard work, and the importance of compassion. It's where I found not just lessons in books, but lessons in life, friendship, and self-discovery. Junior high school, in particular, has been a transformative phase. These past years have been filled with challenges that tested our limits, moments of joy that warmed our hearts, and opportunities that allowed us to grow. Whether it was collaborating with classmates, celebrating milestones, or learning from mistakes, each experience taught us something valuable and unforgettable. To our advisor, Miss Cristina C. Arreglo, you have been our steady guide through it all. Your unwavering patience and care, your words of encouragement, and your belief in our abilities have inspired us to do better and be better. Thank you for being there every step of the way, for pushing us to achieve our goals, and for reminding us to do better and believe in ourselves. To Sir Jose, our school principal, thank you for your leadership and dedication to making Niño Jesus a place where students can thrive. Your commitment to our growth as students and as individuals has created an environment where dreams are nurtured and possibilities are endless. We are forever grateful for your guidance and leadership. As I look ahead, I'm excited to share with you that my journey in Niño Jesus is far from over. I will continue to walk these halls and carry the Niño Jesus spirit as I take on the senior high school in this very institution. I'm confident that the same lessons, guide, values, and support system that have guided me this far will continue to prepare me for the future. To my fellow graduates, as we move forward, remember to take with you the bonds we've built, the lessons we've learned, and the memories we've shared. Treasure the friendships, honor the teachers who shape you, and never stop striving to be the best version of yourself. The road ahead may not always be easy, but we are prepared because Niño Jesus has given us the foundation we need to succeed. To our parents and families, we cannot thank you enough. Your sacrifices, love, and support have been the backbone of our achievements. You have stood by us through our ups and downs, and this moment is much as yours as it is ours. Class of 2025, as we move on to the next stage of our lives, let's face the future with courage and determination, knowing that we are equipped to overcome any obstacle. Let's carry the Niño Jesus spirit wherever we go and continue to make our school proud. Thank you to Niño Jesus for my 11 incredible years of growth and transformation. And thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey. Niño Jesus will always have a place in my heart. Congratulations to us all, and may God bless us always. To God be the glory.
Thank you, Bernardo. This is the end of their journey. In every moving up ceremony,